Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 97. And the instruction here say fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. And this instruction is to enable us to answer questions from 71 to 100. The first rule of that we say the answer to question number 94 is hygiene. The first rule of hygiene should also be strictly adhered to. Always keep your habitants clean and devoid of what? Stagnant water. That is what we say. We have answered this. Then, which is a dash ground for mosquito? That's what say stagnant water allows mosquito to penetrate or for them to assemblage or gather themselves. So which is a dash ground for mosquitoes? Remember that we choose mosquito in the other answer, so mosquito is the correct answer to that. The option A say breathing, B say breathing, C say mating, D say moody, E say reproductive. Now, what do call breathing? Breathing has to do with breathing has to do with our respiration system. Respiration system. Then breathing has to do with sexual union. Then the same thing mating. The moody has to do with mood. The reproductive has to do with procreation. So stagnant water allows mosquito to reprocreate, yes, in their numbers. So option E is correct. So we can say reproductive gland. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.